Mike Hughes here. I'm at Lead Enterprises with Abraham.
How you doing?
And you're going to tell us about the new products you have here?
Absolutely. Well, as you know, or as you might not know, we do diving weights.
Oh, wait a minute. No, I mean literally.
Yeah, diving weights. It's pretty heavy, so if you need somebody to get down,
it's a heavy
you need
topic.
weights. It's a heavy topic. Yes, we do.
And as you can see, these are the traditional. But this year,
We're
we
doing
have...
something new. Yep. We're doing our high-vis orange, as you can see here, and we're doing them with the snap trigger clips. Very heavy duty. These come from 1 through 6 pounds, and these are easy to spot, so they're very good for rentals.
Yes, because when you're looking along the sand to find out where they lost the weight.
Or people just do this and they walk away with it.
Oh.
So it's easier to spot them.
Okay, and so the sizes they come in from
1 through 6 pounds.
1 through 6?
Yep.
We've got everything here except the one, and the one's over here.
Well, the one is right here, as a matter of fact.
Why'd that other one look smaller?
2 pounder.
Okay.
And then 3 pounder, we're missing that, but you go up to 6 pounds. This is typically what you'd be looking at for a 6 pounder, about that size.
All right. Cool. I think that wraps it up. I mean, it's weight. It's not
It's
the most exciting thing in the world, but if you don't have it, you're not getting underwater.
Exactly right. Might as well tie some rocks to your ankles or something.
Oh, don't tell them that. They might try it.
They might try it. All right. Appreciate it.
Thank you very
Thanks
much.
for stopping
Oh, and if they want more information about your products,
by. Well, here
what's
we
the
go.
WW thing?
www.leadenterprises.com.
Oh, perfect. You know what? That was really worth the wait.